Welcome to iOS Development Interview Questions and Core Concepts. Today, we're diving deep into the essential skills every iOS developer needs to master. Whether you're preparing for your first iOS interview or looking to refresh your knowledge, this comprehensive guide covers everything from Swift programming fundamentals to advanced architecture patterns. We'll explore the powerful technologies that make iOS development unique, including Swift, Objective-C, UIKit, SwiftUI, and core data. These are the building blocks that form the foundation of every successful iOS application. Let's start with Swift fundamentals, the core language features that make Swift so powerful for iOS development. Swift brings type safety and inference, which means the compiler helps catch errors at compile time rather than runtime. Optionals are a key feature that handles the absence of values safely, eliminating common crashes. Automatic reference counting, or ARC, manages memory automatically, freeing developers from manual memory management. Protocol-oriented programming allows for flexible and reusable code architecture. The basic syntax shows how variables are declared with var keyword, constants with let keyword, and functions that return specific types. This simple example demonstrates Swift's clean and readable syntax that makes it beginner-friendly yet powerful. Architecture patterns are crucial for organizing your iOS application code effectively. Model View Controller, or MVC, is Apple's recommended pattern where models handle data, views display the interface, and controllers manage the logic. Model View ViewModel, or MVVM, adds a ViewModel layer to better separate business logic from the view. ViewInteractor Presenter Entity Router, or Viper, is a more complex pattern suitable for large applications. Design patterns like singleton ensure single instances, observer pattern handles notifications, delegate pattern enables communication between objects, builder pattern constructs complex objects, facade pattern simplifies interfaces, and adapter pattern bridges incompatible interfaces. Choose your architecture based on project complexity and team size to maintain clean, scalable code. Testing is essential for ensuring app quality and reliability. XCUITest is Apple's native UI testing framework built directly into Xcode, making it the go-to choice for iOS UI automation. Appium provides cross-platform mobile testing capabilities, supporting both iOS and Android applications from a single codebase. EarlGrey, developed by Google, offers enhanced synchronization for iOS UI testing. The XCUITest example shows how to access UI elements using the XCUI application class, tap on text fields, type text, and interact with buttons. This framework allows you to simulate user interactions and verify that your app behaves correctly under various scenarios. Performance optimization is critical for creating fast and efficient iOS applications. Memory management involves understanding ARC, using weak references to prevent retain cycles, and implementing object pooling for frequently used objects. Asynchronous operations use grand central dispatch, background threads, and modern concurrency features to keep the user interface responsive. Asset optimization includes image compression and lazy loading to reduce memory usage and improve loading times. Apple provides powerful performance tools, including instruments for comprehensive profiling, Time Profiler for identifying performance bottlenecks, allocations for memory usage analysis, and network tools for monitoring network requests. Remember to profile early and optimize often throughout your development process. Security is paramount in iOS app development to protect user data and privacy. Keychain services provide secure storage for passwords, tokens, and other sensitive credentials. SSL pinning implements certificate validation and protects against man-in-the-middle attacks by ensuring your app only accepts specific certificates. Data encryption using AES 256 encryption protects sensitive data both at rest and in transit. Common security threats include man-in-the-middle attacks that intercept communications, data leakage through improper storage or logging, code injection attacks that exploit vulnerabilities, and reverse engineering attempts to analyze your app's logic. The key principle is security by design, not as an afterthought. Integrate security measures from the beginning of your development process. Analytics help you track user behavior and app performance to make data-driven decisions. App Store Connect is Apple's native analytics platform that provides essential metrics for free to all iOS developers. Firebase Analytics offers Google's comprehensive mobile analytics solution with real-time event tracking and detailed user behavior insights. Mixpanel provides advanced event tracking, user funnels, and powerful segmentation capabilities for deeper user analysis. Key metrics to monitor include app units for download numbers, sessions for user engagement, retention rates to measure user loyalty, crash reports for stability monitoring, revenue tracking for monetization success, and funnels to optimize user conversion paths. These tools help you measure what matters most for your app's growth and success. App maintenance keeps your application healthy and up to date in the rapidly evolving iOS ecosystem. Bug fixes involve regular crash monitoring using tools like Crashlytics and implementing quick fixes to maintain app stability. OS updates require ensuring compatibility with new iOS versions and updating deprecated APIs to maintain functionality. Security patches involve updating third-party libraries and addressing newly discovered vulnerabilities promptly. Recommended update frequencies include bug fixes every 2 to 4 weeks, new features every 1 to 2 months, user interface updates every 6 months, and security updates on a quarterly basis or as needed. Proactive maintenance prevents problems before they impact users and maintains your app's reputation in the App Store. Monetization strategies determine how your app generates revenue. Subscription models provide recurring monthly or annual payments and currently account for 76% of global app revenue. In-app purchases offer one-time purchases for additional features or content, with the market projected to reach $257 billion by 2025. Rewarded ads allow users to watch advertisements in exchange for in-app rewards, typically resulting in higher engagement rates. Key metrics to track include average revenue per user or ARPU, lifetime value or LTV, which measures long-term user worth, conversion rate from free to paid users, and churn rate, which indicates user retention success. An important advantage is that iOS users spend approximately twice as much as Android users on mobile applications. App Store Optimization, or ASO, improves your app's visibility in the App Store search results. Key elements include your app title and subtitle, each limited to 30 characters and carrying the highest ranking weight for keywords. Screenshots and videos provide visual storytelling that drives conversion, with the first 7 seconds being critical for user engagement. The Keywords field offers 100 characters for search optimization, and importantly, you don't need to repeat keywords that appear elsewhere in your metadata. Major ranking factors include download velocity, which measures the rate of new installs, user ratings considering both quality and quantity of reviews, keyword relevance ensuring your metadata aligns with user searches, and user engagement metrics like retention rates. A crucial statistic is that 76% of users discover new apps through App Store search, making ASO essential for app success. Effective monetization combines multiple revenue streams for maximum profitability. The freemium model offers basic functionality free, with premium features available through subscription or purchase. Advertisement revenue includes banner ads, interstitial ads, and rewarded video ads that provide value to users. Subscription tiers allow different levels of access and features to cater to various user segments. In-app purchases can include consumable items like game currency, non-consumable features like premium tools, and auto-renewable subscriptions for ongoing services. Success metrics focus on user lifetime value, monthly recurring revenue, and conversion optimization. The key is balancing user experience with revenue generation to maintain user satisfaction while building a sustainable business model. Congratulations! You've now covered the essential topics for iOS development interview success. From Swift fundamentals and architecture patterns to testing frameworks and performance optimization, you're equipped with comprehensive knowledge of iOS development. Remember that great developers never stop learning. The iOS ecosystem constantly evolves with new frameworks, tools, and best practices. Stay curious, keep building amazing apps, and approach your interviews with confidence. Good luck on your iOS development journey, and remember to keep practicing and building projects to reinforce these concepts. Your preparation and dedication will set you apart in the competitive world of iOS development.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.